Hey guys, welcome back to another tech tip and guide video. In this video, I'll show you how you can solve the problem logging into your Snapchat. So for some reason, when you try to sign into your Snapchat account, you just cannot sign in and it keeps saying an error has occurred. So in this video, I'll show you how you can fix that problem. So first of all, go to your settings, then scroll down and go to your apps. Then go to the Snapchat app. After that, go to storage and clear all the cache memory. And once you clear your cache memory, try to log into your account again. And in most of the cases, this should solve the problem of not logging into your account. But if your problem is still not fixed, try clearing the data of the app. And once you've done that, try logging into your account again. And for this time, you'll surely be able to log into your Snapchat account. So, that is it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, please make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more informational and helpful videos like these.